Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today's hair is from Wiggins. So it came in this box and I did get a edge brush, some invisible tape, wig cap, elastic band, a pair of lashes, and then here is the wig, you guys. It's already pre-styled, as you can see, with these two French braids. Going back, it does have the baby hairs pulled out, so it's pretty much pre-customized and pre-styled, ready to wear, everything done for you. This is the inside of the lace. It looks really good, a nice size lace as well. This is me trying on the wig before I do anything to it, just so you can get an idea of what it looks like coming right out of the box. And like I said, it looks really well made, really well constructed, so I'm excited to do this install. So to start, I just applied some foundation on the inside of the lace. I only really applied it right there on the edge, like where the lace begins. I didn't really apply it all over. Placing the wig back on my head, that's what it looks like, and that looks so much better. It matches me really well. So now I'm going to go in. I'm just using some hairspray to secure the lace. I'm going to spray it all across right there on the edge of the lace. Then I'm going to take that band and tie the lace down to let the hairspray dry, and I let that sit for about 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like after doing the headband. I love that they have the baby hairs already parted for you and pulled out. I did cut them just a little bit, not too much, but I did cut them. And then I'm just going to begin laying the baby hair with some Eco Style gel. That's what I like to use. It's just easy to use for me, and it keeps the baby hairs in place where you don't have to keep relaying them. So I am going to go in with some curling cream onto this hair. This is the brand that I'm using. I like this one and it smells really good. So yeah, I'm going to apply some and just spread it all throughout the hair. Not that it really needs it, but I did want to apply a product onto the hair. I did want to also spray some water. Now this does have leave-in conditioner mixed in, so I just went ahead and used it anyway because I don't want to waste the product. So yeah, I'm just wetting the hair after applying that curling cream. Not only did the wig have baby hairs, it also has sideburns as well, and I love a good sideburn to match my baby hair, so I just wanted to make sure that I laid those. So I'm going to tie the elastic band one last time, just to let everything really set and dry into place. And then this is after 10 minutes. This is what the lace looks like, and the baby hairs and everything. It looks really good. The hair also has some time to dry down as well. Super easy, quick install. I absolutely love the braids on this. Such a cute style and very different for me. And the hair performed really well. As you can see, the lace is literally melted. So this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. If you guys want the same look, a super quick, easy install, this is definitely for you. So make sure you check it out. Like, comment, and sub if you're not already. And I will catch you guys in the next one.
I'm gonna take a shot.